Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna solve an equation. So we have 1 plus 125 times x to the third equals to 0, and we want to find the real solutions. Let's start to see how we can solve this. So we have 1 plus 125 x to the third equals to 0. 125, we can write it as 5 to the third power equals 125. So we have 1 plus 5 to the third times x to the third equals to 0. Or this can be written 1 plus 5x and all of this to the third power equals to 0. Here we have 1, so 1 can be raised to the third power. It's equals to 1, so we can write it as 1 to the third plus 5x and all of this to the third power equals to 0. This form here reminds us of a known identity. So we have that a to the third power plus b to the third power equals to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. First, let's rearrange the numbers. So we have 5x to the third plus 1 equals to 0. And now let's substitute with known identity. So this is written 5x plus 1 times 5x and all of this square minus 5x times 1 plus 1 square equals to 0. Let's write it a little better. 5x plus 1, 25x squared minus 5x plus 1 equals to 0. So from the first one we have that 5x plus 1 equals to 0, and from the second we have that 25x squared minus 5x plus 1 equals to 0. Let's start with the first one. So this we have 5x equals to minus 1. Divide both sides with 5. So we have that x equals to minus 1/5. And this is our first solution. Now on this side, let's find the discriminant to see if we have real solutions. So we have discriminant is minus 5 squared minus 4 times a, which is 25, times c, which is 1. So this becomes minus 5 squared is 25 minus 4 times 25 times 1 is 100. So the discriminant is minus 75, which is less than 0. So here we have no real solutions. So our only real solution is x equals to minus 1/5. Let's make a quick check to see if we were right. Somewhere here. So we have that 1 plus 125 times minus 1/5 and all of this to the third equals to 0. Let's see. We have 1 plus 125. Here is minus 1 over 5 to the third. This equals to 0. 1 plus, we have 125. This fraction is minus 1 over 5 to the third. So it's minus 1 over 125. So this is minus 1. So here we have 1 minus 1 equals 0. So our solution is right. Hope you like this video. If you find it useful, consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.